Hi everyone, and welcome to another Stateless Tech Insight video. It's Mike Anderson, and here I have Simon Wheeler, our Director of Product Management, with me. We've talked about a couple of different topics lately, digging a little bit more into what's inside the stateless system. We've talked about why it shouldn't take a village to route a packet. And specifically, we've talked about this packet processing algorithm. It's 3 steps, very simple. Read a packet, look up the state, do the right thing, and then send the packet on. And because we pulled state out of the equation, we've allowed that packet processing to be done with micro network functions. And that's about where my understanding of it stops. And so I was going to ask Simon here to share with you, what's a micro network function?
That's a great question, Mike. So what is a micro-network function? A micro-network function, it's a small piece of software that does one thing very efficiently. There was a previous Stateless Tech Insight video that we did on composability, and we talked about one of the inherent advantages of stateless Luxon and the fact that you could compose different network functions to uniquely create a network environment for each and every individual customer and be able to consolidate hundreds and thousands of those networks onto one product and one cluster itself. And the individual piece parts within those networks were the micro network functions, or as we start calling them, the abbreviation MNF or MNF. And the point about these micro network functions is they are small, but if we define what a micro network function is, small doesn't really help. So here's an ad hoc definition of what Stateless defines as a micro network function. And that's that it's low lines of code, not the millions of lines of code that a router needs that we talked about earlier. Low lines of code, in the thousands. They are inherently portable. They're easy to spin up and easy to tear down, which is a key differentiator from the technology that's in the market today. They are inherently flexible, but as a key element, they are programmable using a common open API. So that you can use one API for programming all of the micro network functions on the system.
So that's how they all work together effectively.
That's right.
So you can create a common chain.
That's right. And then on top of that, they are very low resource usage.
Oh, gotcha. Because we were talking about that, I think, in another video where we were talking about the difference between NFV or VNFs, and we're saying, the typical VNF takes 4 cores of power just to operate one function, right? Like routing.
Yep.
But you're talking about something that's 1,000 lines of code. You probably can put hundreds of those things on a core.
That's right. And in fact, the way we've been architecting this is that these micro network functions are so small and portable that you can literally be putting thousands of these onto the same cluster in a way that has never been able to be done before with the current technology.
Yeah, that's cool. Awesome. So that's like an order of magnitude. Anyway, hey, Simon, thanks for that. Catch us on another Tech Insight video, and we'll talk more about these different topics. Check them out on our website. Thanks.